Hello and welcome back. Today I filmed a purple and pinky plum eyeshadow look. I'm starting out by priming my eyes with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud. I'm starting out with this darker purple from the Shiat London The Velvet palette. None of the shades have names unfortunately, but this palette is so good. All of the shades feel so silky. If you want this palette, it's normally $20. But when I tagged it on Instagram, it showed it's on sale for $6. Insane. Just making sure everything is even and mostly blended. I'm applying a thin layer of NYX glitter glue to the inner half of the lid so the shadow doesn't crease. Setting that glitter glue with a pinky plum metallic shade. In the palette, it looks a lot lighter than what it actually shows up as. If you have oily eyelids and deal with creasing, I've found a matte concealer and/or a glitter glue helps lessen or prevent the creasing. I'm blending the shadow into the purple slightly, and the harsh edge on the inner corner will get blended. Trust the process with eyeshadow. Using the highlight from the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette to highlight the brow bone and to blend out any harsh edges. Starting out my base by going in with the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer in the Hydrating line. Going in with a mix of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo concealer in Light Ivory. This recent hormonal acne flare-up is so annoying, but it's life and it's normal. Going in with a mix of the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110 Ivory. Ever since I've been mixing my foundation, I've been liking how my base looks, so much more. Setting the creams with the Coty Air Spun. Setting powder in translucent. Pressing in more powder where I tend to crease or get oily. Then with a brush I press in and dust off the rest of my face with a light amount of powder. Bronzing up with the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. Using the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio, using shade Isla. Highlighting the high points with the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. Framing the bottom lash line with the lid shade. Highlighting the inner corner with a baby pink metallic with sparkles in it. I should have used more glitter glue to get it to stand out more. Melting the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Filling in and defining my brows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. Setting my brows in place with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift Gel. Tight lining and lining my eyes with the Tristique eyeliner in Santorini Black Sand. Finishing the eyes off with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in black. I should probably get a new one soon. I think this one is a year old. Lol. I have the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Peely Lip Oil on, and I'm topping it with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Lacquer in Black Cherry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.